Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing great. So today we are going to discuss about how we can remove the duplicate elements from a list and also to create a list that contains all the duplicate elements from that list. So let us begin. So we have a list that contains all the duplicate and unique elements in it. We have some of the duplicates elements like 3, 3, 6, 6, 8, 8. Now we want to have a list that contains only the unique elements, and so we are going to create our program for that. So let us begin. First, we will create an empty list which will be a unique list, and also we are going to create a duplicate list that contains the duplicate elements. Now I'm going to create a for loop which will iterate through this sample list. For element in sample list, and now inside this loop I will add an if condition. If, and our if condition would be if we have this particular element in the unique list. So unique list presently is empty, so it will initially append this list, unique list, with that element, and again with another iteration it will look for this next element whether that element is there in the unique list or not, and if it is not there then it will again append that element, but that element would be a unique element. So our if condition looks like this: if element not in unique list, then unique list dot append this element. We will come back to this again if it is not clear. And now we will have another condition. This condition will be for the duplicate list. This will be an elif condition which says that if this element is not in duplicate list, then duplicate list should be appended with this element. And this completes our program for the task that we need. So we are going to just give a print and check whether our code is working fine, and I will print unique list. I will also print duplicate list, and so let us execute. So here we see that we get the list which is the first list that contains all the unique elements from our list, and the second list is a duplicate list that contains all the elements that are being duplicated in the list. So let us go again into our code. What's happening behind the code? Just let us do one dry run. For example, if we take the first iteration, it will take the first element, that is 1. So 1 is not in the unique list. Since our unique list is empty, so it will append this element, that is 1, into the unique list, and here we will have 1 in it. And this will not go to the next condition because that is because the if condition is already been satisfied. Next, it will iterate for the next iteration. It will take second element, which is 2, and since 2 is not in our unique list, so it will append with this 2. Next iteration, it will go to 3. So 3 is also not in our unique list, so it will append 3 here. Next, it will go again to this element, which is 3 again. So it will check whether this particular element is in unique list or not. So it will go to the unique list. Unique list contains 3. That means this condition is false. So when this condition is false, it will go to elif. And in elif, it will check whether 3 is not in duplicate list. Since our duplicate list is empty, so this condition is true, and then it will append the duplicated list with 3. So this way the 3 will be appended here. So this is how our unique list and duplicate list will be created, and this is a very optimized code. As you can see, the big O of n for this particular code is ON. If you use this approach in your day-to-day coding, it would be absolutely perfect. And also, if you would tell these piece of codes and answers in your interview, then I'm sure this is going to be one of the right answers. So this is all for this video, folks. So I will upload more videos regarding the day-to-day tasks, the day-to-day issues, how we can solve the data science and data analytics coding issues, and what are the questions that are being asked during the coding round of data science that were asked to me, and which are the frequent questions which will help you onboard into the data science and data analytics roles in future. So see you then. I hope you liked the video. I just request you to please subscribe to my channel and have a great day. See you.